Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the console and the TV physically. Plug the power and an HDMI cable into the TV input. Once done, switch the TV to the correct HDMI input, HDMI 1 or 2, and power the console. You need to confirm the TV accepts the signal. Make sure the console shows a startup logo. If prompted, select language and region so the system initializes correctly, because setup choices affect updates and controller pairing in the next steps. Now focus on configuration. Pair your controller using the USB cable first, then switch to wireless. You want a reliable connection. Next, connect the console to your network. Ethernet is faster, Wi-Fi is fine if signal strength is strong, and enable automatic system updates. After the update completes, sign into your account and configure display options. Resolution, HDR, and 16:9 or 4:3 scaling. This ensures games and apps run smoothly, and your future downloads happen automatically. Finish by installing a game or app and running a brief test to confirm audio and video behave correctly. You should check display brightness, HDR tone mapping, and audio mode, stereo versus 5:1 or pass-through, so the TV and any receiver match. If something goes wrong, power cycle the console and TV, reset HDMI cables, and test another HDMI port. If network problems persist, reboot the router. One key tip: firmware mismatches often cause black screens, so update both TV and console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.